Welcome back. Today we're upgrading your DIY framing game with tools that deliver clean edges, firm holds, and zero frustration for canvases, posters, and cherished photos. Best staple gun for picture framing tested and compared, so you choose confidently today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Anrain Staple Gun for picture framing. The Anrain Staple Gun for picture framing is designed for users who want a simple, reliable framing solution without depending on compressors or electricity. Built from high-strength tungsten steel, the tool feels solid in hand, yet surprisingly lightweight, which makes it comfortable during longer framing sessions. The high-pressure vacuum casting process and polished surface add noticeable durability, helping the driver resist wear even when used regularly in small workshops or craft rooms. One of its biggest advantages is beginner friendliness. Even if you have never assembled a frame before, the manual trigger operation is straightforward and predictable, allowing you to insert glazing points accurately without damaging backing boards or thin wooden frames. The included 2,000 flexible point nails provide excellent value because you can start framing immediately after unboxing. Reloading is quick and intuitive. Press the top button, slide the nail bar, insert points, and lock it back. The whole process takes under 20 seconds, which keeps workflow smooth during batch framing projects. The gun also delivers consistent pressure, so points sit flush rather than bending or sticking halfway. This consistency is especially useful when working with photo frames, canvas boards, or certificate frames where appearance matters. Overall, the Anrain framing tool suits both DIY hobbyists and small business framers. It balances durability, ease of use, and affordability, making it a dependable, everyday framing driver. While it lacks advanced ergonomic shaping, the smooth trigger response and sturdy build compensate well. Number 2. CDJFDM Staple Gun for picture framing. The CDJFDM Staple Gun for picture framing stands out with a refined build and comfortable ergonomic grip, making it particularly suitable for users who frame frequently. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, the body feels sturdy, yet noticeably lighter than many steel-based point drivers. The heat-treated and polished surface improves wear resistance, allowing the tool to maintain accuracy even after repeated use. Because the device operates manually, it requires no air compressor, which makes it practical for home studios, craft desks, and on-site framing tasks. Handling is where this framing tool truly excels. The curved grip fits naturally into the hand and provides improved control, reducing fatigue during repetitive pressing. Each trigger action places the glazing points smoothly and consistently, minimizing frame damage. The driver is engineered to prevent tearing backing boards or sinking points too deeply, which helps protect delicate wood frames and professional mat boards. Beginners will appreciate how quickly they can learn accurate placement, while experienced framers will value the predictable performance. The included 2,000 picture frame points are easy to reload through a quick lift-insert lock process that takes less than 20 seconds. This feature is especially useful when assembling multiple frames consecutively. Its compatibility with various picture frame staples increases versatility, allowing the same tool to handle different projects such as artwork mounting or document framing. Overall, the CDJFDM driver delivers comfort, control, and consistent placement accuracy. It is an excellent choice for hobbyists who frame regularly and for professionals who need a lightweight tool for repetitive work. Number 3. QUTUNI Staple Gun for picture framing. The QUTUNI Staple Gun for picture framing focuses on efficiency and reduced effort, making it ideal for users who want smoother operation and less hand strain. Using a spring rebound mechanism instead of air power, the driver works entirely manually while still delivering strong downward pressure. This improved pressure helps points penetrate backing material cleanly without splitting delicate wooden frames. The compact size and lighter weight make it comfortable to hold for extended crafting sessions or small production runs. One of its most useful features is the adjustable depth control. By rotating the depth adjustment knob, you can precisely set how far the point enters the frame. This flexibility is important when working with thin photo frames, thicker canvas frames, or mixed materials. The redesigned rubber handle reduces gripping force significantly, making it a good option for users with weaker hand strength or anyone who experiences fatigue from traditional staplers. The magazine holds 200 points, reducing the need for constant reloading during projects. The stable firing mechanism improves penetration consistency, meaning the backing board stays intact and frames maintain their appearance. The kit includes 1,000 flexible points, enough to complete multiple framing jobs immediately after purchase. Overall, the QUTUNI framing gun offers comfort-focused performance. It emphasizes control, precision, and reduced hand strain rather than heavy-duty industrial strength. For hobby framers, artists, and home decorators who assemble frames frequently, it provides a pleasant user experience while still producing professional-looking results. Number 4. Tuntwcc Staple Gun for picture framing. The Tuntwcc Staple Gun for picture framing is designed as a durable, adjustable framing tool suited for frequent and varied projects. Constructed from aluminum alloy with heat-treated steel load-bearing components, the tool offers a strong yet lightweight build that balances durability with ease of handling. Its design aims to deliver a long service life, capable of firing tens of thousands of nails without major wear. This makes it appropriate not only for hobbyists, but also for small framing businesses. A standout feature is the adjustable depth control. By rotating the knob, users can tailor nail penetration to match different frame materials and thicknesses. This flexibility ensures points hold firmly without damaging wood surfaces or backing boards. The latest ejection mechanism improves shot stability, resulting in cleaner placement and better holding strength. Frames remain intact without dents, cracks, or visible marks. The manual trigger requires no electricity or air compressor, making the driver portable and convenient in workshops or at home. It also reduces hand fatigue because of its balanced pressure distribution during operation. The included 2,000 filler nails allow immediate use and support multiple framing projects before needing replacements. Reloading is quick and uncomplicated, which helps maintain workflow speed. Number 5. GYKLE Staple Gun for picture framing. The GYKLE Staple Gun for picture framing combines professional-grade construction with comfortable handling, making it suitable for both hobbyists and workshop users. The alloy shell made from high-strength tungsten steel provides impressive durability while remaining lightweight enough for daily use. Its polished and quenched surface treatment improves wear resistance, helping the tool maintain smooth operation over time even after repeated pressing. Precision manufacturing is noticeable in the integrated magazine design, which improves nail alignment and reduces the risk of jams. The adjustable depth control allows accurate placement for different frame thicknesses, ensuring glazing points sit flush without splitting wood or damaging backing material. This precision is particularly useful when working with expensive frames, certificates, or artwork where neatness is critical. Comfort is another highlight. The rubberized handle reduces required grip force by around half compared with traditional manual staplers. As a result, long framing sessions feel less tiring and control remains steady. Because the tool does not require compressed air, it can be used anywhere, from home craft tables to repair shops. Beyond picture framing, the stapler supports additional uses such as light furniture repair, decorative projects, and securing materials in DIY tasks. This versatility adds value for users who want a multi-purpose manual fastening tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.